What is good, y'all? John D. Saunders here. You know the vibes. In today's video, I'm talking about the virtual curated journey. So we had the opportunity to collab and work with museums, art houses on designing and developing website entities that push clients in and get folks excited to sign up and visit these museums. Now, during COVID, a lot of things happened where people were home, they weren't able to visit these physical spaces. And so piggybacking on that process, what we did with clients like Moad and Miami MoCAD is we took that process and we made it really easy to do these virtual showings. So I'm gonna show you some examples of how we've done this with clients in real time so you can take a look at that. So in one example with Miami MoCAD, they're located in Miami where there's a ton of artists that create these beautiful murals on walls. So we actually created a long form landing page showcasing those murals. So you can click interactive processes on that page to show the entire mural in its entirety, where you can click specific areas of that mural to have information and facts come up. We also incorporated a QR code so you can look at that mural in real time virtually from anywhere. We also had an isolated area on that webpage that showcased and talked about the artist, what they're doing, what they're working on, examples of their work with links that go out to those pages and websites for SEO continuity. Then we added this really cool 360 view of the artist so you can see them in their full spectrum, all done easily through desktop, mobile, and tablet from anywhere in the world. So you're able to connect and collaborate with these artists from anywhere without having to physically be in that space. One feature that we really like is the interactivity of the mural. So as you scroll down the page of this landing page, you'll see this area of the mural with dots all over. You can click those dots and get facts and tips regarding how that mural process was initiated and created. Then, one of my favorite pieces of the mural are the stories. You get to hear 10 to 15 stories, which are all linked and tagged via YouTube, via Webflow content management system directly on the website, where people can learn more about the stories, the artists, and the people involved in the process of making this mural. With all that being said, we created this long form landing page that was informative, that provided a ton of details and specifics regarding a mural, the artist, and how it affected the community around it. It's a really great way to, if you can't get to a physical space like a museum or an art house, to be able to see all these things in real time from your computer from anywhere in the world. We also incorporated something called virtual exhibitions, where you can go in virtually with VR glasses or your phone and see what this would look like in real time. So picture yourself at an art house or a museum, you got your VR goggles on or your phone, and you're able to pan and walk around this place where you can look at art in real time. This is really helpful, especially if you're out of state or if you really like an artist and you can't make it there in person. We made the website really easy and powerful for people to go in, check out that content. They're able to see the gallery, link to their favorite artists, and then initiate them on social media with ease. Lastly, one of our other favorite items is a project that we did for Moad San Francisco. So we worked with them to design and develop their website. The main thing we wanted to do was make that mega menu, that main menu on the homepage, very, very simple and easy to get to where you need. As you all know, with museums, you have exhibition pages, calendar, support, all these different things that you need to organize and develop and make sure that they're working really well. So what we did was with exhibitions is we built out this entire site using a platform like Webflow. This CMS or content management system allowed us to create exhibitions and set time limits for them as well. So if we have an exhibition that goes from January to March, we can set a time reference where as soon as that last day ends, it goes from upcoming exhibitions to past exhibitions. So you don't lose that search engine optimization over time, right? You still have that page, it's still archived, people can still reference it later on, and you don't lose that once it's over, right? So you're building this repository of a ton of content that people will be happy to see, especially if that art house or museum comes around or the exhibition comes around for another year, you're able to check it out and see that content. As museums, art houses, all these creative fields move into this new digital hemisphere, we want to make sure that we're adding conducive and great things on their sites to make it simple and easy for people to access and see the content that they have. Even though you're not able to make it to that physical space, you can still find value, find your favorite artist, and be able to lean on that with ease. If you need help with this, y'all, check out some of examples of our work on our work page. Reach out to us in the comments. We can help your museum or our house develop your online presence and optimize it for your end consumer. Peace, y'all.